recover from Michael, local volunteers are stepping up and helping out. The American Red Cross has 18 volunteers from the state are heading south, helping provide supplies and emotional support. Another local woman says she started collecting supplies after finding out her close friend lost her home on Mexico Beach. Heather Eichelberg says at this point, any small donation can help.
So far I have a lot of commitments for collections of things. Folks that say, Heather, I have 3 trash bags, or I was just about to go to the Goodwill. And I was like, so far all we have right now, we've got 2 boxes. Pretty sure this is full of women's clothes. We've got some men's shoes here that are going to go to her oldest child. I've got people collecting books, towels, sheets. I have another friend who has 6 or 8 trash bags full of clothes in her living room right now, just waiting to get picked up.
If you'd like more information on how you can help Hurricane Michael victims,